Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Are you fed up with struggling? In this video, I'm going to show you step for step how to change your entire financial life. Everyone always overcomplicates this. Financial freedom comes from little steps forward. My whole channel is about showing you specific videos on earning extra money, saving extra money, and ways to budget. All right, let's begin. My first step for success. You have to get up as early as possible. I like to get up at 6 a.m. The second I wake up, I make my bed. That gives me a sense of accomplishment. I know this seems simple and basic. That simple step is so beautiful. Wake up as early as possible and then read, have a coffee, meditate. I like to do my numbers and scheduling. Keep yourself busy with productive material. Don't play a game on your phone. Even if it's beautiful, motivational videos, that is worth your time. Step 1, wake up as early as possible and make your bed. Next, we need to make a plan. Where is my life going, and how am I going to get there? The how for this video and right now isn't as important, but what is my goal? I know this seems simple and basic. It is so important, though, to write it down on a piece of paper. There is something magical that happens when you write your goal and dreams down. They become reality. Get out a piece of paper and write your goal down. And that's where we're going to start. Get up as early as possible, 2, 3, 4 hours before you have to leave the house. And first thing, make your bed. You're going to use these morning hours for you time, to meditate, to get your head ready for the day. And do this 7 days a week, and do it for the rest of your life. You never need to sleep in again. Then we're going to write our goals down. Any goal that you have, financial, personal, physical goal, any goal, write them down and rewrite them. Every day you're going to get out a brand new piece of paper and rewrite your goals. We're going to start here, and this alone, you will see a difference within 2 or 3 days, I promise you. But you're going to do this for the rest of your life.